How to fix printer in error state. So if you want to fix your printer in error state, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your printer. Your printer might be right here. If you've connected to your printer, you will have your printer right here. You just need simply click on it. Once you click on it, you just need simply disconnect your printer. So you just need simply stop the document from printing. Or you can just simply go with your task manager and then stop the service. Once you stop the service right here, or once you end the task, then what you can do is just open up your services interface, search for services, and under services, you need to simply click on any service and then press P on your keyboard, and it will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the service, which is print spooler. Right click on it and go with the properties and make sure that the startup type is automatic. Once your startup type is automatic, you just need simply start the service. Once you started the service, go with apply and OK. It might take a few seconds. And after that, you just need simply go back and right click on your Windows and go with the device manager option. Now under device manager, here you will have the printer section, right? Here you need to enlarge the print and here you will have your printer. So you just need to simply click on any printer that you're connected to or in which you're facing the problem. Right click on it and then go with the properties section and go with the driver. You can go with update driver. If you don't have the driver sections right here, then you just need simply right click on it and you will have update driver. Click on it and then update your drivers. Once you updated your drivers for it, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix, then you just need simply right click on it and then uninstall the device. Once you uninstall, you just need simply restart, and after restarting, it will automatically install the drivers and it will fix your printer. That's how you can fix your printer in error state. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.